Hello, welcome back to Jackson Draws. Today we are going to draw a volcano. This is what it will look like. Hope you have fun. So first, I am going to draw the ground. I'm just going to do some bumpy lines. And now for all the tiny rocks, I'm just going to add squiggles inside. That seems messy enough. Now I am going to draw the volcano. I am going to draw a squiggly line like this. And now I'm going to draw a U smiley face. And then I'm going to curve around, but stop so the lava can come out like that. Now I am going to do a curvy line down. Now for all the rocks forming it, I'm going to draw squiggles like what we did down here. This seems like enough. Now time for the lava. I'm going to draw a line coming out. Drop like that. Now I'm gonna draw a hook and come down. Next I am gonna draw up but do a squiggly line like this. And now just add squiggles wherever you want and then connect right here like this. There you have it, the lava. If you want, you could draw some dinosaurs. And now let's add its face. Now let's add the volcano's face. I am gonna draw a V. And now, right here, I am gonna draw a dot. And right here. Now, a mad face. And to make it look a little funny, I'm going to make his tongue sticking out. And I'm going to color in the tongue. There you have it, the volcano. Now time to color. First, I'm going to color the lava. I am going to use orange red. So I'm going to color inside of this hole and color inside all these squiggles you made. You don't have to use orangish red. You can use red. And now I'm going to color the rocks. I am going to use gray for that. So all of the rocks are down here with the squiggle you made for the first step. There you have it. Now time to color the main part of the volcano. I'm going to use tan. So I'm going to color it, but after tan, I'm going to add a little shadow on it to make it look like one side's darker. Now that it's colored tan, I am gonna take brown and I am gonna color this half to make it look a little bit darker, and then it fades in slowly. There you have it. And if you want, we could draw some dinosaurs. Let's draw a T-Rex. 2 lines. First 2 lines. And then a curve. Another curve there. Like this. Curve into here. Draw a line. There. T-Rex. And don't forget the arms. Now I'm just gonna draw a pterodactyl. There. Now time to color the dinosaurs. Now I'm just going to draw more. You don't have to add dinosaurs. That's why I'm not telling you how to draw them. There, Triceratops. Time to color it. There you have it, volcano. If you like this video, please subscribe, or else your volcano will come to life and erupt on you. If you don't know what that means, go ask your mom. Hope you liked this video. See you next time.